Hello there guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video I will show you guys how to boost your FPS, CPU, GPU, L or something like that. So I heard that you guys like streaming something like that, had a most laggy game, something like that, like Minecraft. You guys play it and it's laggy when you switch around, something like that. Yeah, it's laggy. So today I will show you guys how to fix that FPS booster, GPU, CPU, L and L. So let's get into it. So what you have to do is go to your Google Play Store, something like that, App Store. Sorry guys. What you need to do is go to your game Play Store and search is GPU, not ZAC but CPU, this and /L. There, GPU L. After that, click on download. What you have to do is after they download it, go and click open because that does everything over there. So what you have to do after this is go that three dot and go to the most popular GPU. After that, there you guys have it. So go to the last version and click on the thingy like this, this one, I don't know what to call it, but click that, add it, and it will say add to your setting. They're done. After that you can check it and see stream processors is 4096 and max clock is 1350 mHz and the memory size up to 16 code MB. So that's a lot. So what to do is after this, click on the home button and you're done. So now you don't have any laggy. You play Minecraft, it will not laggy, trust me. Yeah. Yum, 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 yum. Yeah, you see that? Yeah, oh yeah. So that's how you do it, and that's how you could boost GPU, CPU, FPS, LL. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you guys enjoy it, please leave a like, smack that like button, and subscribe. So see you guys on the next video.